Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on how to influence society and attain respect. In this fast-paced world, where influence is power and respect is currency, mastering the art of societal impact is crucial. Today, I'll be sharing some insightful tips and strategies using most common examples, which we all come across in our daily life, to help you navigate this terrain successfully. So, let's quickly dive into it. Influence is the ability to affect the thoughts, behaviors, and actions of others. It's not about forcing your opinions onto people, but rather inspiring and empowering them to see things from your perspective. Imagine two colleagues with differing political views. Find them engaged in a heated debate. First one.
I can't believe you support that political candidate. How can you ignore all the scandals and controversies surrounding them?
Second one. Well, I think they're the best choice for the country right now. You just don't understand their policies and what they stand for. Despite both attempt to steer the conversation away from politics, they find themselves entrenched in a back-and-forth argument, each trying to convince the other of the superiority of their chosen political ideology. What are the key takeaways from this example? Failing to respect each other's boundaries and forcing our political opinions onto others is something that nobody accepts. Recognizing when the conversation has become unproductive or uncomfortable, you should steer away politely. Never demonstrate closed-mindedness by refusing to consider alternative perspectives. Rather, engage in constructive dialogue. Instead of dismissing opposing viewpoints and doubling down on your own beliefs, always listen to each other's arguments with an open mind. The intensity of such casual political debate may strain your relationship with someone whom you care. Find common grounds or respect each other's differences to enhance mutual respect and cooperation, essential for a healthy workplace dynamic. Now let's talk about credibility. Credibility is the foundation of respect. People are more likely to listen to and follow those they trust and admire. Building credibility requires authenticity, expertise, and consistency. Failure to keep promises will undermine the trust of your loved ones in you. They may hesitate to rely on your words in the future, leading to a strained relationship and diminished trust. They will feel disappointment and frustration as a result of your broken promises and may struggle to understand why you didn't follow through on your commitment. Always communicate about any obstacles preventing you from fulfilling your promise to the one you have promised. Being honest and accountable, you can mitigate the negative impact of breaking your promise, and you can preserve friendships. To build credibility, focus on mastering your craft, staying informed, and delivering on your promises. Be genuine in your interactions, admit your mistakes, and always strive for excellence. Your actions should align with your words, reinforcing your reputation as a credible and trustworthy human being. Communication is the cornerstone of influence. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Effective communication requires clarity, persuasion, and emotional intelligence. To leverage communication for societal impact, hone your storytelling skills, craft compelling narratives that resonate with people's emotions, and use persuasive language to inspire action. Pay attention to non-verbal cues, such as body language and facial expressions, as they can enhance the effectiveness of your message. Lastly, let's discuss the importance of taking action. True influence is not passive but proactive. It's about rolling up your sleeves and actively working towards positive change. To influence society and attain respect, don't just talk the talk, but walk the walk. Get involved in your community, support causes you believe in, and use your platform to amplify marginalized voices. Remember, Small actions can lead to big impacts, so never underestimate the power of your contribution. In a nutshell, influencing society and attaining respect is a journey that requires dedication, empathy, and integrity. By understanding the principles of influence, building credibility, leveraging communication, and taking action, you can make a meaningful difference in the world and earn the respect of others. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Social Mosaic, and press the bell icon. Keep inspiring change.